Today I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF viewer to Framer. This is a fantastic way to display documents, portfolios, or any PDF content directly on your Framer website without requiring visitors to download files. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to commonninja.com. This platform offers a variety of widgets that can enhance your website's functionality, and their PDF viewer is particularly useful for embedding documents seamlessly. Once you're on the Common Ninja homepage, look for the button that says Create Widget and click on it. This will take you to their widget library where you can browse through different options. In the widget library, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in PDF Viewer and click on the result that appears. This will open up the PDF Viewer widget customization page where you'll be able to configure everything according to your needs. The interface is quite intuitive, so don't worry if this is your first time using it. Now you can start editing your PDF viewer. You'll notice several fields where you can customize the appearance and content. Start by editing the caption, which acts as a title for your PDF. Then add a description if you want to provide context about what the document contains. Most importantly, you'll need to upload your file by clicking the Upload button and selecting the PDF from your computer. Make sure your file is ready before starting this process to keep things smooth. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a design icon. Click on it to access more customization options. Here you can edit the layout, adjust the design elements, and choose from different skins to match your website's aesthetic. Take your time experimenting with these options until you find a look that fits perfectly with your Framer site's overall design. Once you're satisfied with all your customization choices, look to the top right corner and click Save Changes. A dialog box will appear asking you to select a folder where you want to save this widget configuration. Choose an appropriate location and click Save Changes again to confirm. This ensures that your settings are stored and can be accessed later if you need to make adjustments. After saving, you'll see a Publish button. Click on it to generate the embed code for your PDF viewer. A window will pop up displaying the code you need. Click Copy to copy this code to your clipboard. You'll be pasting this into Framer in just a moment, so keep it ready. Now head back to your Framer project. At the top of the Framer interface, click on Insert. This opens a menu with various elements you can add to your page. From this menu, click on Utility, which will reveal additional options. Find and drag the embed element onto your canvas where you want the PDF viewer to appear. With the embed element selected, look over to the right side panel. Under the Embed section, you'll see a field labeled Type. Beside it, click on the drop-down and select HTML. This tells Framer that you're embedding custom HTML code. Now paste the code you copied from Common Ninja into the designated field. And there you have it, your PDF viewer is now embedded in your Framer site. You can resize it by dragging the corners to fit your layout perfectly, ensuring it displays beautifully on both desktop and mobile devices. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.